Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we're going to dive into the beautiful world of Hebrew through the words of the special song called Elohim Natan Lecha B'matana, which translates in Hebrew to God gave you as a gift. In this video, we'll break down the lyrics of this song word by word, helping you to understand and pronounce each word correctly. While we won't be playing the song here due to copyright restrictions, I've provided a link to it in the description below, so you can listen to it as you learn. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first word in the song is Elohim. Elohim, which means God. The next word is Natan. Natan, which means gave, singular male. Lecha means to you, when speaking to a male. Lecha. B'matana means as a gift. Matana means gift. B'matana as a gift. Davar, a thing. Davar. Gadol, gadol can mean either big, singular male, or in the context of this song, great. So, davar gadol, a great thing. Davar, a thing. Nifla, wonderful. Nifla. And davar nifla means a wonderful thing. Elohim, God, Natan, gave, Lecha, to you, male, B'matana, as a gift, Et hachaim, the life. Chaim means life, Et hachaim, the life. Al pnei, al means on, pnei means face off, and al pnei can mean either on the face of or on the surface of. Ha'adama, the earth. Ha'adama. Natan, gave. Lecha, to you. Et halayla, the night. Et halayla. Vehayom, and the day. Vehayom. Ahava, love. Ahava. Tikva, hope. Tikva. Vechalom, and a dream. Vechalom. Kites, summer. Kites. Choref, winter. Choref. Stav, autumn. Stav. Aviv, spring. Aviv. Neshama tova, a good soul. Neshama means soul. Tova means good, singular female, and neshama tova, a good soul. Lehabit, to look. Lehabit. Saviv, around. Saviv. Natan, gave. Lecha, to you. Sadot, fields. Sadot. Yerukim, green, plural male. Yerukim. Prachim, flowers. Prachim. Ve'etzim, and trees. Ve'etzim. Melavlevim, blooming, plural male. Melavlevim. Neharot, rivers. Neharot. Nechalim, streams. Nechalim. Veyamim, and seas. Veyamim. שמיים, skies, שמיים. ירח, moon, ירח. כוכבים, stars, כוכבים. נתן, gave, לך, to you. חגים, holidays, חגים. ושבתות, and Sabbath. את ישראל, Israel, ישראל. ארץ, land, ארץ. האבות, the ancestors, האבות. ידיים, hands, ידיים. וראש, and a head. ראש means head, וראש and a head. להגשים, to fulfill, להגשים. חלומות, dreams, חלומות. נתן, gave, לך, to you. את כל הנפלאות, all the wonders. את כל, all the, הנפלאות, the wonders. נתן, gave, לך, to you. דברים, things, דברים. כל כך, so much, כל כך. יפים, beautiful, male, plural, יפים. להביא, to bring, להביא. לעולם, to the world, לעולם. ילדים, children, ילדים. And the last three words create the combination להביא לעולם ילדים. To bring children to the world. להאזין, to listen, להאזין. לשירים, to songs, לשירים. לראות, to see, לראות. צבעים, colors, צבעים. הו, הו. מה רבו, how many, מה רבו. מעשיך, your deeds, מעשיך. אלוהים, God, אלוהים. תן, give, תן. לי, to me, לי. רק, just, רק. עוד, more, עוד. מתנה, a gift, מתנה. קטנה, small, singular female, קטנה. אח, בת, אח. נפלאה, wonderful, singular female, נפלאה. אלוהים, God. תן, give, לי, to me. רק, just. עוד, more. מתנה, a gift. את השלום, the peace. שלום means peace. את השלום, the peace. על פני, on the face of. האדמה, the earth. On the next slides, you will find the words of the song in English to help you understand it as a whole, and also the whole song in phonetic sound to help you sing and follow along. I think this song is really beautiful. Let me know in the comments below if you agree. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות! Goodbye!